igama lesu akaziso amanje amanga ngimisa umuntu imali sifana mwezi yakahlakwa ndithokozisa isimachelo samawala kodwa ke mina ngimagebe unduduma undunkamgelekazi today ngicela ukusinyana Rutobina Rutoshumpanako akela itupresiona ngizosathangako so ngikukarisayinako ndibuyi kafela ikubopukele wathi babusibuyi ngikubaokana hayi ukuchakalala ke ukuchakalala udekamo so that you don't have to see nako so then kusinyana kutobiza nema kusibani adora akela naiti kadina e short man kubonya I don't know what to say, but I'm so excited. I'm the one of the participation in the series, which are very cool. So, very in the body, I don't see the okay, I'm actually like higher. Ile nje Braila awu baba na mama siningi ayamanzi so besela ukuthi abo mama basi na bathi sabuya amanzi kodwa siningi ayamanzi ekuseni amanye toilets ni mobile toilets like toilets ingane evaluated ya na wayizana so you are welcome to the home ashabiri soke sigeni keke sigena wapi sijabu chete samoye So I say people of the day, but before people never for people of the day. Let us see I remember there was the time CWA Timisa. I'll call it a short break, okay?
maybe more short break. So, but I prefer slow season. Alright? So, I remember before in our work conference, we had a team gathering in that neighborhood. So, one meeting, or I still remember I was sitting there, and then that neighborhood, okay, I feel like I'm work. So we became citizen. I was one of those people, people were retraining CWM, right? I was saying that, to be honest, I was not comfortable for it because I felt very tired. You're going to regroup, you're going to rebrand, really and guess what? Because of those risks, we are here today and we are celebrating 10 years anniversary. So, to be honest, because still now, right? So we don't use that informal event, as well as the purpose of the day. But we say that we are a man. We are gathered here today celebrating a journey of 10 years. We say it's 10 years, but it's more than this. As a ministry of Kusala, we don't just launch who decided today or night. If you know that I'm supposed to be the cannot. But as we made it. So we had to start somewhere. We started in 2015. Just after the introduction that the ministry was CWL in the Uksa church. There was a gap. There were ladies who did not belong to any other ministry, and I said, no, how did they like this? Never know from more often, because they didn't belong in any HCC. So we knew that Uksa wanted the importance of any another ministry. Today we are here sitting very much. So in 2015, Basai Visa, by the word today, Mahana Koda, who were the ministry over and CWL joined. So we went to the jail and we know that the jail you get through, you go through the probation period. So we passed the probation period. We went back to General the Synod, we have walked the journey, yet they are 12 months. Can we now be and they are allowed to launch a ministry? They gave us a date, 2016. So on the the ministry Mobutumunyari. I remember this picture of you. This is a picture of the ladies who were present at that time, who showed the interest in the ministry, who said you serve God in the ministry was there in the church. At this point, I would like to ask God, what a picture later, by a minute, showing the world. Now, I was a ministry, but I can't go to the by the world. Welcome. The lady of Lina. She's still waiting. The cow, the white one. The lady of Julia, she's still here. Wearing the same gown. They are the woman. You must send God to the other. I am also the teacher. We went through challenges and I think Murichimangai touched on the challenges that we face, and she also said that, but no one matters because of what we do in the ministry. I pray to God that whoever left from the time that I would raise my hand and say to see them should find it in their hearts to forgive me if I'm the reason why they left the ministry. Because without this, I won't be able to move to the next 10 years. Can we find in our hearts to look back and go apologize or correct the wrongs that we did and change for better? From the good way I'm here, when I know what I'm saying, when I know what I'm here, when I know what I'm here, what are the financial issues? And my wish, my wish and hope from today goes forward. There shouldn't be any member leaving the ministry because right there was a registration. Can you compare 100 dollars finally? Can you compare 100 dollars Jijo Motley? You shouldn't be here from now on. We went through challenges. Such one mentioned we once out of the presidential ministry, but to be honest with you, we about the king, we are still going to see them there, even though the sun is around. And I think it was for the peoples. Would you like to know something? We had members by joining the Bazamai for about 90 days. You could better have a new one right now. By joining the after 2016, by the river hand. Any member who left during the phase 2016 to now, you're ready for it to come over to know where you are. That's what you are. That's what I ask. Melanie Ospulo, she was joined by unfortunately because of impatience and she had to be I'm not going to be like she had to be because remember why I against what we do. Like how she came back now, she's there with us. Yeah, they want to do the and at this point, I want us to raise the members who are currently in the ministry and serving God as CWL teams by the Babylon. we are back to that number, about 20 members. Would you like to I just reminded them that they are women of faith. Thank you, sir. So, when you see you've lost track of what she said you want to be. She said to us, the Malay Ajmer. That's our name. I don't know what something like this, and the Malay Ajmer. And the fourth at this point, I'll send down. He'll come to you for all the blessings that you enjoy. As a son, every week on a Thursday, people are to they are there every week. With no pain, we have a Zoom meeting. Can you celebrate that with us? Thank you for you can't wait to sing, to worship, and to be night like we normally do. Just to, I give 14 on 28 minutes around I You know what is my biggest fear? Let me careful the feathers in our hand. Fear that water. More I think why the opportunity of who we are is because we don't win. Fear that right? I think the living is whatever or this sensitive with my good for 5 years. Things change. Technology has changed. AI right? Now after 5 years, you already moved it. I want to come back. When I come back, sitting arrangement teaching already. I give you a very strong. Second, right? That you would say, you are a school by any, you are I get over that part. The whole school. I'm 56 years old. Am I lying? Right? But one should be. The temple over there, we are marching in the life for that when now it started like embarrassed. You understand? Sometimes I feel like, hey, but don't allow right? So he never betrayed all the
nje kanyana ngizoyenza i-roll call so ngizakuthoma abomama bethu laba sithomele baba press so ingoma lehlahla Nabantu abanemali. Abantu baseSanthe. Alex. Labangwelethwayo namhlanje. Thembisa.
Utabatshwang hakisia.
Umrazana bamthweni udala